Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn abstraction in Java, one of the most important OOP concepts with simple explanations, real-world examples, and Java code. This session is perfect for Java beginners, students, and interview preparation. So make sure you watch till the end because abstraction is one of the most frequently asked interview topics. Let us begin. In this session, we will understand what abstraction is, why abstraction is needed, real-world examples, abstract classes, interfaces, differences between abstract class and interface, Java code examples, and finally interview questions. This structured flow will help you understand abstraction step by step. What is abstraction? Let us first understand what abstraction means. Abstraction means hiding internal implementation details and showing only essential features to the user. In simple words, the user should know what the system does, not how it does. For example, when you use a mobile phone, you only know how to use the apps. You don't know how the internal circuits and processors work. That is abstraction. In Java, abstraction helps us to hide complexity, increase security, and improve code maintainability. Real world example. Let us understand abstraction using a real-world example car. You know how to press accelerator, apply brakes, change gears, steer the wheel, but you don't know how fuel combustion happens, how engine parts works internally. You just use the car without knowing the internal mechanism. This is exactly what abstraction does in programming. It hides internal complexity and exposes only required operations. Why abstraction? Now the question is, why do we need abstraction? Abstraction helps to reduce system complexity, improve security, provide flexibility, support loose coupling, improve maintainability. By hiding unnecessary details, abstraction makes code simpler, safer, and easier to manage. That is why abstraction is extensively used in enterprise Java applications and frameworks like Spring Boot. How is abstraction achieved in Java? In Java, abstraction is achieved using two main mechanisms, abstract classes and interfaces. Both allow us to hide implementation details and define rules or contracts for classes. Now let us understand each one in detail. Abstract class. What is an abstract class? An abstract class is a class that is declared using the abstract keyword. An abstract class can have abstract methods, can have concrete methods, can have instance variables, and cannot be instantiated. It is mainly used when we want to provide partial abstraction. Abstract class syntax. Here you can see a simple syntax of an abstract class. We declare the class using the abstract keyword. It can contain abstract methods without body. This defines what the class should do but not how to do it. Example. Let us understand with a Java example. We have an abstract class called animal. It contains an abstract method called sound. Now dog class extends animal and provides the implementation for sound method. Here animal defines the rule. Dog provides the implementation. This ensures clean architecture, loose coupling, and flexibility. So important points to remember. Abstract class can have constructors. It can contain instance variables. It can have non-abstract methods. It supports partial abstraction. Abstract classes are useful when we want to share common logic across subclasses. Interface. What is an interface? Now let us understand interfaces. An interface is a fully abstract blueprint of a class. It contains only method declarations, no implementation. In Java, interface provides 100% abstraction. Interfaces are mainly used to define contracts. Interface syntax. Here is a syntax of an interface. We declare interface using the interface keyword. All methods inside an interface are public and abstract by default. Interface example. Here we have an interface called shape. It contains draw method. Now circle class implements shape and provides its own implementation of draw. This allows different shapes to implement draw in their own way, providing flexibility and loose coupling. Why interface is powerful? Interfaces are extremely powerful because they support multiple inheritance. They allow loose coupling. They promote clean architecture. They make code plug and play. This is why Spring Boot and microservices heavily use interfaces. Abstract class versus interface. Let us quickly compare abstract class and interface. Abstract class provides partial abstraction, interface provides 100% abstraction. Abstract class supports constructors, interface does not. Abstract class supports single inheritance, interface supports multiple inheritance. This table is very important for interviews. Real world and project use. Let us understand abstraction using a payment gateway example. We create an interface called payment, different implementations. Google Pay, PhonePe, Paytm. Each class implements payment differently, but a user always calls pay method. This gives flexibility, scalability, and easy maintenance. Abstraction in real projects. Abstraction is heavily used in Spring Boot, microservices, REST APIs, enterprise systems. Examples: controller interfaces, service interfaces, repository interfaces. Without abstraction, large systems cannot be maintained properly. Interview questions. Important interview questions. What is abstraction? Difference between abstract class and interface. Can abstract class have constructor? Can interface have variables? Why interface supports multiple inheritance? If you prepare these, you can crack any Java interview easily. Summary. Abstraction helps to hide complexity, improve security, improve flexibility, support scalability, improve maintainability. It is one of the most important object-oriented programming pillars. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Happy coding.